Hey, welcome back to the Gemmological Institute of Genoa, where we turn rocks into stories. Today, we're diving into something really special, the 4th National Drawing Contest for primary schools. And guess what? The theme gems again. Because honestly, who gets tired of gems? Every year we do this, and every year kids surprise us. They don't just draw stones, they draw dreams. They draw treasure maps, magic rings, even grandma's old necklace that glows when she smiles. So yeah, this is our 4th round. Same theme, totally new magic. We picked 35 drawings, 35, from schools all over Italy. And let me tell you, these aren't cute kid pictures. These are wow. Some kids used crayons like they were lasers, sharp edges, perfect gradients. Others went wild with glitter glue, and honestly, it works. The best part, they're not copying photos. They're inventing. One kid told us, "I made my amethyst purple because purple is happy." Done. That's art. Some drawings are super detailed tiny facets, perfect symmetry. Others are wild glitter bombs, crayon streaks, marker bleed. But you know what? They all win. Because they're real. And this a diamond from Medina. But wait, it's not just a diamond. It's a diamond city. One kid wrote underneath, "Mom says gems are just rocks, but I think they're alive." And honestly, after seeing this, I'm starting to believe him. Some kids went full scientist perfect facets, light rays bouncing like lasers. Others, total chaos, glitter glue everywhere, crayon streaks, marker smudges. And you know what? It's perfect. Because it's them. One boy wrote under his black opal, "It's dark, but it glows when you look close." And I thought, yeah, that's exactly what gems are. A little girl from Rome drew a heart. But not just a heart-shaped diamond. It's like a flower that blooms, with tiny sparks flying off. I zoomed and there's even another heart inside. She said, "It's for my Nana." Done. I'm crying. A class from Mantua spent the whole morning on a quiet, detailed naturalistic drawing. Meanwhile, the kids from Bari went wild. They exploded entire rainbows made of glittering gems. Like someone cracked open a treasure chest and let the colors fly everywhere. We started this contest 4 years ago because we wanted kids to stop seeing stones as expensive and start seeing them as alive stories, colors, little universes you can hold, and look, they did it. Better than we ever could. And hey, if you're watching this and you've got a class, a cousin, a neighbor kid who loves crayons, next year, jump in. We'll keep it going. We'll keep it bigger. We'll keep it sparklier. Thanks for hanging out with us. Now go look at something shiny. You deserve it.